Hey everyone, this is Preeti Ghosh and welcome back to my YouTube channel which is all about lifestyle and education. And here I am with another video regarding easy explanation of your textbooks. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe it right now and stay tuned. So why wait? Let's get started. Hello students, today we are going to start with another chapter, that is parts of plants. So let us find out what we are going to learn today. So as we know that plants have many parts. So a plant is mainly divided into two parts. What are those two parts? One is root and the other one is shoot. Now let us see what is shoot and what is root. Now you see the part of the plant that is above the soil is called shoot. What does a shoot have? It has flowers, then it has bud, fruits, leaf, stem. These all are subparts of shoot. Now let us see what is root. So the part of the plant that grows below the soil is called root. Okay, so it has roots. Here you can see as the parts are being labeled. So the definition of root and shoot can be the part that grows below the soil is called root. I repeat, the part that grows below the soil is called root. And the part that grows above the soil is called shoot. I repeat the definition. The part that grows above the soil is called shoot. ठीक है? Now let us discuss first about root. So now this root is also, or the roots are also divided into two types. Roots can be of two types. What are the two types? First one is taproot and the other one is fibrous root. First one is tap roots and the second fibrous roots. Okay. Now let us see what is taproot. Now taproot में क्या होता है? Taproot में एक मेन पार्ट होता है, मेन रूट होता है, ठीक है, एंड बाकी सब जो होते हैं those are called the branches. Okay. Now what are the examples? Pea, mustard, bean. These all are the examples of taproots. Plants having taproots. Okay. Now let us see what are fibrous root. Now in case of fibrous root, there are large number of roots that grow from the end of the stem. इसमें क्या होता है? इसमें जो stem है उसके ending से ही there are many roots that grows. Whereas in case of taproot, stem के end पे एक मोटा taproot होगा, एक main root होगा और उसके बाद उसके आसपास छोटे छोटे रूट्स होंगे, ब्रांच्ड रूट्स होंगे. बट इन केस ऑफ फाइब्रस देयर आर मेनी स्मॉल रूट्स दैट ग्रोज एट द एंड ऑफ द स्टेम. सो लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल्स. सो एग्जांपल्स ऑफ फाइब्रस रूट्स आर onion, rice, wheat. These all are the examples of plants having fibrous root. Okay. Now let us see the function of root. Root का क्या काम होता है? Root can help the plant to stand in the soil and provides water and mineral from the soil. तो रूट क्या करता है? वो प्लांट को सॉइल में खड़े रहने में हेल्प करता है एंड वाटर और मिनरल प्रोवाइड करता है. फ्यू एडिबल रूट्स. एडिबल मीन्स जिसको हम खा सकते हैं. तो एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एडिबल रूट्स आर turnip, carrot, beetroot. These are few of the examples of edible roots. Now let us see the shoot. We know shoot have many things. They have leaf, they have stem, they have flowers, they have fruits. So first we will discuss about stem. Okay. So stem are sometimes modified to store food. Stems are modified to store foods. Now let us see few examples where stems are modified to store foods. Those are potato, ginger, sugarcane. इन सब में क्या होता है, फूड स्टोर्ड रहता है जिसको हम खाते हैं और वो एक्चुअली मिट्टी के नीचे भी ग्रो कर सकते हैं. दीज आर दी मॉडिफाइड स्टेम्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पोटैटो, वो मिट्टी के नीचे ग्रो करते हैं बट जब हम उसको खाते हैं दैट इज एक्चुअली द स्टेम, नॉट द रूट्स. ओके. Now there are few stems which are very much delicate. Okay, so they need a support to climb up. उनको ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए या ऊपर बढ़ने के लिए एक सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. So those plants are called climbers. So those plants are called climbers, and with the help of what they can climb up are called tendrils, which help them to climb up. So climbers climb up with the support or with the help of tendrils. Okay. And also there are few stems of big trees which are thick, strong and woody. Those kind of stems are called trunk. What are they called? They are called trunk. Okay. As you can see here in the picture, there is a big tree with a woody, strong trunk, right? It has a very much thick, strong and woody stem. So this is called the trunk of a tree. Now you can also see a money plant picture in which you can see that it needs a support to climb up. Also in case of pea plant, it has few curly things. These curly things are nothing but called tendrils which help them to climb up. So money plant or pea plant is an example of what? Is an example of climbers. Yes. Now let us look the functions of stem. So stem का क्या काम होता है? Stem keeps the plant straight. Okay. And the other function is it helps in carrying water and food to different parts of the plant. So जैसे roots क्या करते हैं, वो मिट्टी से water and minerals absorb करके stem को देता है and stem क्या करता है, उस water and mineral को पूरे different parts में transform करता है, transport करता है. Okay. Now, before moving on to our next topic, that is leaf, let us find out what we have learned today. So today we learnt about what is root, what is shoot. We also learnt about the two main types of root. We learnt about what are climbers, and we also learnt few examples of modified stems where the food is stored. ठीक है. So some plants are modified to store food and the examples are potato and ginger. Okay. So in the next video we will discuss other topics of this chapter. So stay tuned and thank you. So that's all for today's video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon.